Unang tanong. How many continents are there?
7.
7 is correct. Okay, 100 pesos. You would find the Mariana Trench in which ocean?
Pacific Ocean.
Pacific Ocean is correct. Okay, laban tayo. Which organ in the human body is responsible for secreting insulin?
Pancreas.
Pancreas is correct. Ilang buwan o month meron sa 2 taon? 24 is correct. What term refers to the distance around a circle?
Circumference.
Circumference is correct. 100 pesos. May 5 anak ang mama mo. Si January, February, March at April. Anong pangalan ng pang-5?
Hindi si May.
Ako.
Si Ellie. Ellie ako eh.
Ellie is correct! 100 pesos! Which organ in the human body is responsible for filtering blood and producing urine?
Kidney?
Kidney is correct! 100 pesos! Which planet in the solar system has the largest diameter? Jupiter is correct! 100 pesos! What do you call a four-sided shape with one pair of parallel sides?
Trapezoid.
Trapezoid is correct! 100 pesos! How many planets are there in our solar system?
8.
8 is correct! What do you call a words that has opposite meaning? Anthony is correct! How many legs do insects typically have? 6 is correct! What chemical element is used to cool and freeze food?
Nitrogen.
Nitrogen is correct! What do the letters in PEMDAS stand for?
PEMDAS?
PEMDAS. Parenthesis, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction.
Yung isa pa po.
Wala na. Exponent?
Exponent is correct. Anong English sa Arinola?
Chamber pot.
Chamber pot is correct! 100 pesos! How many meters are there in a kilometer?
1,000.
1,000 is correct! Anong English sa pitchin?
Picture.
Picture is correct! 100 pesos! Laban tayo, laban! Bump, set, and spike are terms from which sport? Bump, set, and
Volleyball.
volleyball is correct! What do you call a words that have the same meaning?
Synonym.
Synonym is correct! 100 pesos! Ano ang pinakaunang aklat ng Bible?
Genesis.
Genesis or Genesis is correct! 100 pesos! Anong English sa timba? Pain is correct! Which one is the hottest continent?
Africa.
Africa is correct! What is the fourth planet from the sun? What is the fourth planet from the sun?
Mercury. Mars.
Mars is correct. Mars. In which language does konnichiwa mean hello?
Japanese.
Japanese is correct. 100 pesos. Paunahan. Anong English sa tabo? Beaver is correct. What two primary colors can be mixed to make purple?
Red and blue.
Red and blue is correct. What chemical element is designated as Cu? Copper is correct. What animal is the national symbol of Australia? Kangaroo is correct. 100 pesos. Nakakahabol-habol na. Anong English sa kaserola? Casserole is correct. What chemical element is the main component of human bones and teeth? Calcium is correct. What gas is used to extinguish fires?
Nitrogen.
Nitrogen is correct. Which continent is the largest? Asia is correct. What do you call words that have the same pronunciation but has different meaning? Homophones is correct. How many months of the year have 31 days?
7.
7 is correct. What is the capital of China?
Beijing.
Beijing is correct. Fill in the blank. Roses are red, violets are blue. Blue is correct. Which country is famous for its policy of neutrality? Switzerland is correct. 100. Which country is famous for its pyramids and the slaves?
Egypt.
Egypt is correct. 100 pesos. What do koalas usually eat?
Eucalyptus.
Eucalyptus is correct. 100 pesos. What is the square root of 25? 5 is correct. Anong English sa imbudo? Funnel. Funnel is correct. What are the 5 senses?
May isa pa po.
Okay, sight, hearing, taste, smell, and touch. What's the technical term for a lie detector?
Polygraph.
Polygraph is correct. Give at least 2 figure of speech.
Simile and hyperbole.
Correct. 100 pesos. What element is the main constituent of diamonds?
Carbon.
Carbon is correct. It is figure of speech that an exaggeration used for emphasis or effect.
Hyperbole.
Correct. A pickle is made from which fruit or vegetable? Pickle. Pickles.
Cucumber.
Correct. Cucumber is correct. Meron na lang tayong 5 tanong. Habol-habol na, habol-habol. Where does rain come from?
Hindi.
Where it come from?
Ano yun? Clouds is correct. 100 pesos. How many lives are cats said to have?
9.
9 is wrong. It is correct. What color of flame is the hottest?
Blue.
Blue is correct. Ilang minuto meron sa 3 oras?
180.
180 is correct. Sino kayo makakasagot dito? Isa na lang. Which animal is known to be the sheep of desert?
Camel.
Camel is correct! Okay, bilang mo naman pera kung sino may pinakamadami. Yun ang may extra 1,000 pesos.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
30! 3,000! Dito naman sa kabila. Ilan?
31.
Bilangin natin.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 22.
22! So,